Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend, we are going to talk about how can we disable phone color correction mode setting in our iPhone device. Friends, we have got this type of setting, so we call it the color correction mode. And how can we disable? How can we stop guys this setting in our iPhone device? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel. So friends, first of all, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone guys this additional setting guys, tap on phone additional setting guys, tap here, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see phone accessibility guys, tap on accessibility, then guys swipe. Friends, you can see guys this phone color correction guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys this use color correction setting guys mode. Friends, right side this icon guys, you will have to tap here to disable it. Friends, come back. Friends, you can see guys your screen color and guys your icon color has come back. Friends, now you can operate your phone with these icon colors. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you have understood how to disable color correction mode. Bye guys.